Hello channel. We're gonna get our smoker ready for the bees. Right, William? All right. What do we need? Some rotten wood. That's always good. Burns really nice and slow. What else is there? There is pine leaves. Where'd that come from? Do you remember? William, do you remember where that came from? Our Christmas tree. That's part of our Christmas tree. And what else do we got?
Torch.
And cardboard.
And a smoker.
Yep. And then we got Durlap bag, which is that big bag. We can use that as a smoker too. So all this stuff is pretty good. All right. Let's get ready. Got our gloves. Awesome. Keep on going. Just shove them in the can. Doesn't have to be pretty. Just the more compact we get, the better it'll be. Yep. They're a tad bit big for you. We're gonna light our smoker. What color smoke do we want, William?
White.
White? Why do we want white?
Because
It's clean, right? We don't want that black stuff. That black stuff's bad, alright? Just to make a quick fire, we're just going to torch. Right. Now remember, kids, you need an adult. That goes up and down. Good job. See how that fire's going? Might want to make it a little lower so burn yourself like that. There you go. Yep, put your hands a little lower right here. We'll let it burn for a few seconds. Fly it around. There's at least 10 bees by that camera. The smoker's ready, right? Looks like the smoker's ready?
Yeah.
Alright, let's get our bee suits on.
Yeah, let's close this.
We're all set. With the sugar water and everything. Time to feed those bees. Got our smoker?
Yeah.
Smoking?
Yeah.
Puff, puff. That's good. Nice, clean, and white. Perfect. Looks like we're inside the barn. We got the smoker. We got our 3-to-1 syrup. 3-to-1 is just so it doesn't freeze in the cold.
Yeah.
It's beginning of February, so it's kind of cold out here.
Yeah.
But today's a nice warm day. Turned 60. I think yesterday was 20. All right, what are we gonna do? All right.
I think I unzipped it right here.
No, you're fine. Here, hold this. Let's see what's inside there.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
But before then, let's take the smoker.
Yeah.
No, right here. We got the smoker.
Yep.
We're gonna do 1 puff in the entrance, or 2, just to tell them that we're here. All right, now let's see what's inside.
Yeah, you're puffing it all over the place.
Yeah, just around so they know that we're that we're here. All right, what does the inside look like?
Yeah, there's a couple of bees.
All right, once they smell this food, they're gonna be a couple more. All right, so I got 1 sugar water. All right. Then we got our other sugar water. All right. And then we got our last sugar water, which I'm gonna try to get some inside the hive.
A bee right there, a big one.
Just so they know that we're here.
Queen.
The queen. No, she's not here. She's deep inside, surrounded by all her girls. But yep, there they are. Our little quail feeders.
How about we take this one off and then check what's in there?
Maybe some other day. But that's how we get our feeders going. All right, now we're gonna do what?
That one.
Now we're gonna close the top.
Yeah, where's the top?
The top feeder is right here. Here, Vagam, hold this.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Let's.
So good thing you did not get stinged.
All right. What did we just do? We fed our bees. We did it. All right. Now the bees can come up here, get their food, come down here, and turn it into honey. So we had a 3-to-1 ratio just because if it gets cold outside, then the sugar water won't freeze. But if you did a 1-to-1 ratio, which means 1 cup sugar and 1 cup water, then it has a chance to freeze. All right. Good job, now.